Gentlemen, let me ask you something important. What if one of the most overlooked keys to stronger energy, better circulation, and more dependable performance in later years wasn't a pill, a supplement, or even a workout routine, but something as simple as a daily glass of water? For years, you've heard people say, drink more water, it's good for you. But few explain why it matters, or how the timing, the amount, and even the type of water you drink can transform the way your body performs. I'm Dr. Zara, a urologist who has spent more than 15 years helping men regain vitality, balance hormones, and improve circulation naturally. Over time, I've seen many men who believed their fading energy and stamina were just part of aging. In reality, it often wasn't age, it was dehydration quietly undermining their strength. Think of it this way: an erection is essentially a hydraulic process. Just like a garden hose needs steady pressure to stay firm, your body needs proper blood volume to fill and support erectile tissue. Since most of your blood is made of water, even a slight lack of it can reduce circulation and lower essential pressure. The problem is, thirst comes late. By the time you feel thirsty, your body is already short on fluids. Circulation slows, energy dips, and the body prioritizes vital organs like the heart and brain over performance. The good news is, it's simple to fix. With proper hydration, your energy, focus, and stamina can improve within days. The first mistake happens right in the morning. After a full night's rest, your body is naturally dehydrated, yet many start their day with coffee, tea, or nothing at all. Caffeine may wake you up, but it also dehydrates you, pushing more water out of your system instead of replenishing it. The second mistake is saving most of your water intake for later in the day. You go through the morning and afternoon taking only a few sips, then try to make up for it at night. Your body doesn't like that feast or famine rhythm. Blood thickens, energy drops, and when you finally flood your system, your sleep is interrupted. Another mistake is drinking too much water right before activity or intimacy. It can dilute electrolytes, cause bloating, and leave you feeling heavy or distracted. And finally, relying solely on thirst. As we age, kidney function slows and blood vessels lose some flexibility, making dehydration more noticeable through fatigue, slower recovery, and reduced performance. Here's how to turn that around. Start your morning with water. Within 20 minutes of waking, drink about a cup and a half. You've gone hours without fluids, and this first drink jump-starts your circulation, restores blood volume, and energizes your muscles and brain. For an extra lift, add a pinch of natural salt and a squeeze of lemon. The minerals support nerve and muscle function, while vitamin C protects nitric oxide, the molecule your body uses to relax blood vessels and boost blood flow. Then, practice steady sipping. Instead of gulping large amounts at once, take small regular sips through the day. A few mouthfuls every hour works well. Think of it like maintaining steady pressure in a hose, gentle and constant. This habit keeps your energy even, your blood flow smooth, and your focus sharp. Avoid drinking large amounts of water right before bed or physical activity. Give your body about half an hour to an hour to process what you've had. You'll stay comfortable, sleep better, and avoid unwanted interruptions. If you hit an afternoon slump, reach for water before coffee or sugar. Often that tired feeling is your body asking for hydration, not caffeine. Hydration becomes truly powerful when it works hand in hand with nutrition, movement, and rest. Fresh vegetables like spinach and beetroot, fruits such as berries and citrus, and healthy proteins like fish all support healthy blood vessels and nitric oxide production. When you're well hydrated, these nutrients move efficiently through your bloodstream to the tissues that need them most. Even moderate daily movement, like a brisk walk, boosts blood flow and strengthens the heart. Dehydration thickens blood and makes your heart work harder, while good hydration keeps your body efficient and speeds recovery. Sleep ties it all together. During deep sleep, your body produces most of its testosterone and repairs tissues. Dehydration can interrupt these cycles, so steady hydration through the day and easing off water before bed helps you rest deeper and recover better. Stress also plays a role. When you're dehydrated, your body produces more cortisol, the stress hormone that suppresses testosterone and drains energy. Staying hydrated keeps this balance in check, supporting both hormones and circulation. Hydration is the foundation that connects all these systems. On its own, it's powerful. Combined with good nutrition, movement, and rest, it creates the conditions where your body can thrive at any age. Remember this simple truth. Your blood is mostly water, and an erection is a hydraulic process. Without enough hydration, circulation slows, energy fades, and performance suffers. But when you hydrate consistently and align it with healthy habits, you support your heart, your brain, and your overall vitality. Your best years aren't behind you. Small, consistent actions, beginning with something as simple as a glass of water, can renew your strength, focus, and confidence.